Welcome friends for the review of excretory system. Excretory system is a broad term where the contents of large intestine, the urinary system, the skin, the lungs, the skin and nail are also part of excretory system. So in this excretory system, all the toxins of the body, either in the solid form, liquid form or other forms, will be expelled out of the body so that it will not harm the body as such. So after the metabolism, the metabolic waste products of the body will be filtered through the blood in the form of kidney. Uh, uh, the basic functional unit of kidney are called as nephron. So nephron will filter out the blood and take out the unwanted toxins from the body and filter it through the urinary system to the outlet in the form of urethra. So urinary tract, the large intestine, the skin, the respiratory system, that's exhalation lungs, and nail and skin are the part of excretory system. So in yoga, excretory system is a very vital part where you use this excretory system to cleanse the excretory system, in a way to use the yoga in its innate nature, where you will sync your mind with the Jivatma and Paramatma, or individual consciousness with the cosmic consciousness. For you to sink in, your body should be strong. For you to sink in, the mind should be strong to be able to accommodate the body's energy and mind's energy synchronized in a way to sit for Raja Yoga for longer duration and extended sadhana. If it is happening, by and by, if your system is cleansed enough, this purification process or a kriya process will help the yogic person to attune or in tune or sync his fine tune energies, sync his energies to the extent of his energies will be very receptive to the higher mind or higher orders or a cosmic mind. So in particular about kriyas are used to cleanse out the excretory system to the extent that you will have a voluntary control over the involuntary nervous system. It is a primal important in yoga system that no other tradition of exercise, no other tradition of any other exercise form you could imagine would ever tell you to cleanse the system to this extent as that of yoga and also Ayurveda. So yoga and Ayurveda will be a sister science, and I will not deal much of Ayurveda right now. We have other doctor with us. But yoga, excretory system, even though you will study less, but you do more, lot of the cleansing processes like Mula Shodhana, Jivya Shodhana, Danta Shodhana, all Vamana Kriyas, Virechana Kriyas, or the Laghu Shanka Prakshalana or Purna Shanka Prakshalana. These are few examples of how cleansing process is important for a yogic person, for you to cleanse the body. So cleanse the body, cleanse the mind, and have a proper sattvic diet, attune your energy to the higher order to completely have a chitta shuddhi at the level of body, mind, spirit. So this is how yoga can be a transformational for you to progress to a next level of higher orders of the mind. And through that mind body process complex, your higher works will be done through this particular goal to cut. In the beginning phase of this learning, whatever you feel mystical or not able to understand, it is okay. It's all common, very, very common. So if you are not able to understand this system's anatomy and physiology, just study as per the syllabus what you have given. But when you go in deep, by and by, you know that there is a definite sync between the systems and the yoga system. For example, when I am mentioning about excretory system, so there are two secret examples of how detailed version of excretory system or urogenitory system are used for cleansing process or for mudras. So these things we will study in a graded manner, like basic things, whatever you are studying will be very basic, and to a higher students what we will say is two examples like Vajroli and Amroli. So these are few mudras which must be learned from a guru to the student individually, not in a mass class. Study about that, know about it. If you are able to understand something about it, then try to correlate this particular Vajroli and Amroli to the excretory system or other systems of the body and see that is there any sync between the study of anatomy and physiology with the yoga. By this you will know that how important is yoga in sync with anatomy and physiology for you.